What's happening, guys? Welcome back to our mystery unboxing series. This is just a bunch of stuff that we got from our friends at Complete Performance, and I didn't label stuff, so now I get to find out with you what's in the box.
Who's in the box?
Ha! Same as last time, brown paper and ghost poop. Oh, okay, so we've got some Complete Performance aftermarket taillights. So these are for you guys like me that actually use your trucks for work. And I recently was delivering some stuff to my neighbors and managed to rip one of my factory taillights off the back of the truck. So it's busted, and Chris and Paul hooked us up with some clear replacements. My truck is white, so these are gonna look good on there. If I don't like the white, I may give these away and try the smoked. I like smoked lights as well. But we've got a clear third brake light, which will look nice with these clear tail lights. So I'm gonna also jump on their site. I'm gonna order all LED replacement lights for everything. LED third brake light, LED brake or rear brake lights. They have a really nice LED kit for their headlights. So yeah, if you guys are restoring an OBS and you need some brand new taillights, these things fit perfect. They install just like the OE factory lights, so really nice quality. I highly recommend using LED bulbs with these. When I purchased my truck, the previous owner had just replaced all the lights in the truck with all brand new lights, and it looked really nice. They used incandescent bulbs instead of LEDs, and it burnt a lot of these replica housings. So not sure what the difference is. I'm not a plastic manufacturer, but obviously something in these aftermarket replacement lights is not holding up like the factory OE lights is. And so in order to not burn these housings and end up with discolored and cracked headlights and taillights and lenses, just go with the LED option. It's brighter, cleaner, looks better, and these things will last a long, long time for you. Like, subscribe, check out the next video in the series. I'm not sure what it is. We got another mystery box to open up, but anything you guys need, recommendations, parts that you want to see that nobody makes, maybe you're restoring an old Power Stroke or even a gasser. Most of these parts are crossover from gas to diesel, it doesn't matter. So if it's cosmetic stuff you guys need or things you need for the interior, door handles, Complete Performance has a really good product line focusing on you OBS guys, especially on the restoration side. So hit me up in the comments if you don't see what you need. I'll put a bug in those guys' ear and we'll get you what you're looking for. Appreciate you stopping by.